Welcome to a special place, Patagonia. Here, mountains are high and forests are full of stories. This place is perfect for people who love to walk and see beautiful things. And guess what? It's safe too. Patagonia is in 2 countries, Argentina and Chile. It's known for being wild and beautiful. But there are also easy and safe paths for everyone. These paths are great for families, friends, or even if you're walking alone. So, get ready for a walk and bring your excitement. We will show you 10 beautiful and safe places to walk in Patagonia. There are peaceful lakes, big mountains, and quiet forests. Each place is different and safe for all walkers. Let's go and see these beautiful places together. Every place we show you is safe to walk, and each one is like a beautiful picture. 1. Monty Fitzroy Trail. Now, let's talk about our first amazing walking place, the Monty Fitzroy Trail. This path is not too hard and takes you to see a beautiful mountain called Mount Fitzroy. It's best to go between October and April when the weather is nice. The Monty Fitzroy Trail is special because you can see a big, tall mountain up close. It looks very grand and beautiful. The walk is not too long and is good for most people who like to hike. While walking, you'll see pretty flowers, birds, and maybe some animals too. This trail is a favorite for many people because it's like walking in a picture. You will want to take lots of photos. Remember, the best time to walk here is when the sun is shining and the sky is clear. That's when Mount Fitzroy looks its best. 2. Torres del Paine W Trek. Next, we have the Torres del Paine W Trek. This is a famous walking path because it shows you different kinds of beautiful nature. The best time to go on this trek is from late spring to early fall. The W Trek takes a few days to walk, but it's worth it. You will see big stone towers that reach up to the sky and lovely blue lakes. The water is so clear, it's like looking through glass. There are also forests and rivers along the way. People love this trek because every day you see something new. It's like walking through different worlds. You don't have to walk very fast. Take your time and enjoy all the beautiful views. Remember to bring a camera because you'll see things you'll want to remember forever. 3. Cerro Torre Trail. Now, let's talk about the Cherro Torre Trail. This is an easier walk, and it's great for seeing the famous Cherro Torre peaks. The best months to visit are from November to March. The Cherro Torre Trail is special because you get to see these tall, thin peaks that reach into the sky. They are very famous and look like something from a fairy tale. The path takes you through pretty forests and near glaciers where you can see ice. People like this trail because it's not too hard and the views are amazing. You can walk through green forests and see birds and flowers. When you get close to the Cherro Torre peaks, you will feel like you are in a very special place. It's a good walk for families and anyone who loves nature. 4. Laguna Torre Trail. Next up is the Laguna Torre Trail. This trail is peaceful and ends at a beautiful, quiet lagoon. Spring and autumn are the best times to go for a walk here. On the Laguna Torre Trail, you walk to a lake that's very calm. The water is clear, and you can see mountains all around. It's a good place to sit and relax, maybe have a picnic. The walk is not hard and is good for everyone, even if you are not used to walking a lot. People like this trail because it's quiet and pretty. You can hear birds and the wind in the trees. When you reach the lagoon, you'll see a beautiful view of the water and mountains. It's a great place for taking photos and enjoying nature. 5. Perito Moreno Glacier Trek. Now let's explore the Perito Moreno Glacier Trek. This is a unique place where you can walk on a big ice glacier. You can visit this glacier any time of the year. The Perito Moreno Glacier is one of the few glaciers in the world that is still growing. Walking on it is like being in a different world. The ice makes beautiful shapes and colors. You can see deep blue cracks and listen to the sounds of the ice moving. This trek is special because it's not often you get to walk on a glacier. It's safe, and guides are there to help you. People of all ages come here to see the ice up close. It's a wonderful experience to see nature so powerful and beautiful. 6. French Valley Trek. The French Valley Trek is our next spot. It's part of the Paine circuit and is known for its amazing valley views. The best time to go here is from October to April. When you walk the French Valley Trek, you are in a wide, open valley. You can see tall mountains all around. The valley is full of different colors, from trees, flowers, and sometimes even snow. It's a place that makes you feel small but happy to see such big, beautiful nature. This trek is liked by many because every view looks like a painting. The sky is big and blue, and the air is fresh. It's a bit of a longer walk, but not too hard. You will want to stop many times just to look around and enjoy the views. 7. Laguna de los Tres. Now we come to Laguna de los Tres. This hike is a bit more challenging, but it gives you amazing views of the Fitzroy Massif. The best time to walk this trail is in the summer season. Laguna de los Tres is special because it takes you close to some very big mountains. At the end of the walk, there is a beautiful lake. From here, you can see the mountains very well. They are huge and very impressive. People like this hike because it feels like an adventure. The path goes up and down, and you walk through different kinds of nature. When you reach the lake, you will be very happy with the view. It's a great place to rest and take pictures of the mountains. 8. Lago Pello National Park. Next, let's visit Lago Pello National Park. This park has easy trails and shows you different kinds of plants and animals. It's good to go here from September to April. In Lago Pello National Park, the paths are gentle. You can walk through forests and near a big, beautiful lake. There are many birds and sometimes other wildlife to see. The park is peaceful and full of colors, especially in spring and autumn. This place is popular because it's easy to walk and very pretty. You can see mountains far away and the clear water of the lake. It's a good place for families or anyone who likes quiet walks in nature. The park is like a quiet, beautiful world. 9. Sierra Baguales. Now, we will talk about Sierra Baguales. This is a place for people who want to see the wild side of Patagonia. It's best to visit in the summer months. Sierra Baguales is different because it's more wild and less crowded. Here, you can see big, open lands and mountains. There are also places where you can find fossils, which are very old remains of plants and animals. People enjoy Sierra Baguales because it feels like a big adventure. The land is open and wide. You can walk and not see many other people. It's a place to feel free and enjoy the quiet. Remember to bring your camera because the views are very special. 10. Cherro Castillo Trek. Lastly, let's explore the Cherro Castillo Trek. This is a less crowded place with beautiful views of castle-like peaks. The best time to walk here is from late spring to early fall. Cherro Castillo Trek is special because of its unique mountains. They look like castles made of stone. The path takes you through forests, rivers, and you can see lots of different plants and maybe some animals too. This trek is great for people who like quiet walks and beautiful nature. It's not as busy as other places, so you can enjoy the peace. The views are amazing, especially the mountains that look like big stone castles. It's a good walk for taking pictures and enjoying a day in nature. Safe hiking tips. Before we finish, let's talk about some tips to make sure you have a safe and fun time hiking in Patagonia. Wear the right shoes. Always wear strong and comfortable shoes for hiking. They should protect your feet and help you not to slip. Dress for the weather. In Patagonia, the weather can change quickly. Wear clothes that keep you warm and dry. And always bring a jacket just in case. Bring water and food. It's important to stay hydrated and have enough energy. Bring water and some snacks or a lunch, especially for longer walks. Know the trail. Before you start walking, learn about the trail. Know how long it is and what to expect. This helps you to be ready and safe. Respect nature. Remember, you are visiting a natural place. Try not to leave any trash behind, and enjoy looking at animals and plants, but don't disturb them. By following these tips, you can have a great time walking in Patagonia. You'll be safe and also help keep this beautiful place safe for the animals and plants that live here.